Established in 1989, this charging bull is not just a statue, but a living embodiment of New York's economic power, hope, and confidence. Strong muscles, head bowed forward, and fire burning in its eyes. Within it lies the gold reserve that holds the trust of nations around the world. Today, this statue is not just a bronze figure, but a gateway in time that takes us to the moment when a new nation took its first breath. Its color and its shape seem to be saying, "Come, take a selfie with me." When people walk these streets with heads bowed, history seems to turn in its sleep. Remembering the tragedy of 9/11, its eyes still moisten today. I am your host, Dr. Narender Singh Anand. I warmly welcome you to this New York Stock Exchange vlog, the heartbeat of Wall Street. Wall Street is a corner of New York where buildings touch the sky and paths of dreams are laid on the ground. Wall Street is also known as the battlefield of the financial world. Once deals were made here by horse-drawn carriage, and today decisions worth millions are made with a single click. St. Paul's Chapel. Yes, this is where I am starting today's journey. This chapel is a witness to wars, tragedies, and thousands of stories. Remembering the tragedy of 9/11, its eyes still moisten today. Today I am leaving this sacred courtyard where faith and history meet, and after a few steps we reach the place where dollars, dreams, and fate all walk on the same street. The streets of New York are not just paved with asphalt and countless stories of history are written here. When people walk these streets with heads bowed, history seems to turn in its sleep. Walking a few steps further from this moment, a date embedded in the ground catches the eye. January 20, 1981, reminds us of the moment when 52 hostages were released by Iran after 444 days. This was the time when American President Ronald Reagan took his oath. There is also a mention of a baseball history achievement here on the street. The New York Yankees won the championship for the second consecutive time by defeating the Los Angeles Dodgers 4-2, and that day was October 19, 1978. While reading the stories laid out on the streets, our eyes move ahead. A glittering world amidst glass walls that people know as the Zara showroom. A destination of fashion where every new moment brings a new trend. A different world of style amidst the fast pace. Whoever you see wants to capture the beauty of New York in their camera. This is 195 Broadway, a building nestled in the heart of New York, once known as the Bell Telephone Building. Its marble pillars, high ceilings, and intricate carvings echo the pace of America's telecommunications revolution. If you're feeling hungry, don't worry. Fresh cut fruits are ready for you in clean, neat packaging. Cold drinks and snacks are also available here. Walking the streets of New York, you won't just find crowds of people. You will find pet lovers here too. Some walking their dogs, others pushing cats in strollers. the glitz of New York. Between the McDonald's and Starbucks, you might occasionally spot a helpless poor soul. Near beautiful buildings like Bank of America, they remind us who shares whose pain. Everyone here is ailing. This is a city of stone, and windows are useless. As we move a little further, this red cube draws us in. Would you like to know about it? It is located at 140 Broadway in New York City's financial district. It is named Isamu Noguchi's Red Cube sculpture. Created in 1968, this sculpture is a beautiful example of public art in a business environment. It is a large red steel sculpture shaped like an elongated rhomboid, balanced on one of its corners. Before creating this large-scale public artwork, Noguchi conducted many studies on the cube, including smaller stone versions. The red magic of the red cube, its color and its shape seem to say, "Come, take a selfie with me." In this concrete jungle, this red piece inevitably draws every eye and every camera towards it. Just a few steps away from the red cube is the Indian King stall, where hot biryani, delicious snacks, coffee, and cold drinks are all ready. In the cold New York air, this aroma of Indian spices is wonderful. Amidst the crowds and bustle of Wall Street, the Federal Reserve Bank building catches our attention. Built in the early 20th century, this building is a strong pillar of New York's economic empire. Inside lies a treasure of gold that holds the trust of countries around the world. Massive doors and intricate carvings are its specialty. It is designed in the Italian Renaissance Revival style, and arches, iron-grated windows, and sturdy stones extending to the ground give it a distinct identity from the rest of the buildings on Wall Street. Its outer walls, made of brown and golden-hued stones, evoke a sense of strength and dignity. Friends, the grand building you see in front is 120 Broadway. It is also known as the Equitable Building. This is the Capitol Grill, a restaurant famous for its luxury dining, fresh seafood, and fine wine. If you want to enjoy some shopping after a delicious meal, TJ Maxx is right near the Capitol Grill. And if you want to take home a souvenir of New York at a reasonable price from a street vendor, you can find that here too. Between the towering skyscrapers of Wall Street, it feels as if a rift in time has opened up. Peeking out from there is Trinity Church. Built in 1846, this church, with its pointed spire and stone craftsmanship, still radiates a spiritual glow amidst this financial empire. The golden shining doors, stained glass windows, and the sweet sound of bells all remind us that New York is not just a city of money, but also a home to soul and history. Our Chinese guide is gesturing to show us that we have arrived at the most iconic building on Wall Street, the New York Stock Exchange. Built in 1903, this neoclassical building is famous for its grand white marble columns and high triangular pediment and high angular pediment. The American flag waving in front of it seems to tell every visitor this is the place where billions of dollars in business are decided in mere moments. I cannot show you the bustle inside, but the flickering numbers on the screens can certainly give you a sense of it. Friends, as we tilt the camera up and zoom in, you can see grand sculptures above the first floor of the New York's Stock Exchange. Yee! These sculptures were carved in 1904, and the name of this artwork is Integrity Protecting the Works of Man. They have been carved with such precision on white marble that it looks like art and commerce are standing here hand in hand. Walking down Wall Street, right in front of us is the Federal Hall National Memorial. Standing in front of the grand steps is a statue made of dark bronze. It is of George Washington, a farmer who became a soldier who became a leader, and a leader who became the hope of an entire nation. That morning in 1789, when right here on this spot, he placed his hand on the holy book and took the oath as America's first president. Today, this statue is not just a bronze figure, but a gateway in time that takes us back to the moment when a new nation took its first breath, and in that breath, the scent of freedom can still be felt. The American flag is waving over this historic building. Its red color stands for courage, white for purity, and blue for justice. In the upper left corner of the flag is a blue rectangular section called the Union. It contains 50 white stars. Every star represents one state. My life partner and I witnessed this beauty of Wall Street. The history, towering buildings, and the surrounding energy are etched in the memories of our American adventure. And now, under the shade of high-rise buildings, while looking at famous brand stores, we heading towards where Wall Street's heartbeat lies, the famous Bronze Bull. The most powerful symbol of Wall Street is the bronze bull. People believe that touching it brings success and good fortune in the future. This is the very bull that makes thousands of people realize the pace of their dreams every day. Strong muscles, a head lowered forward and fire burning in its eyes, as if it is saying, do not stop, move forward with full strength. Installed in 1989, this charging bull. It is not just a statue, but a living embodiment of New York's economic power, hope, and self-confidence. Whoever comes here definitely takes a selfie with it. They touch its bronze body as if they are touching their own destiny. People stand in long queues for this because it is believed that this touch hides the blessing of good fortune and success. So friends, this journey from the streets of Wall Street to the power of the bronze bull does not end here, because the journey continues. Stay ready. In the next blog, you will see Times Square immersed in the magic of the night, where lights, colors, and vibrancy seem to reach the sky. And yes, I will soon take you to see the Statue of Liberty, the greatest symbol of freedom and hope. Let me remind you, I have named this America Tour, American Adventure, a 90-day journey. So stay connected with me. If you like this blog, then subscribe to the channel, like and share. If possible, join the channel as well. I take my leave with these words that I will meet you soon with a new destination and a new story. Till then, take care and enjoy yourself.